Long story short, I was involved in a project that revolved around building a soil-powered water purification system. It was a very first proof of concept that was meant to show you can actually power things with soil. There's a movie called The Prestige where there's that iconic scene where you have Nikola Tesla's field full of light bulbs that are lit up by just being put in the ground, which nicely conveys what he was trying to achieve. What Tesla didn't realize at the time is that not only can you use soil as a conductor for electricity, but as an electrical power source. And that's what we're doing at Bactery. Right beneath us, there is a microverse full of microbial life, and some of them are capable of consuming molecules, and during that they release electrons. And what we've essentially done is figured out a way how to tap into these bioelectrochemical processes and give these electrons a pathway to escape. So we're essentially capturing them and driving them out of the ground in form of clean electricity. The reason why we want to start with Agri-IoT is because we're in a very privileged position to be already close to the market. Our Generation 1 Bacteries are already capable of generating enough electricity to sustain most of these devices out on the market, which gives us this advantage of being able to already hand this technology over to people, to customers, which I think overall is going to help us accelerate the developments, but also establish a very strong foundation to build on as a company.